I've just purchased a new magnetic base dial indicator holder. As you can see from the packaging, it's a Vertex brand. The model that I chose was a VMB70. Just open up the box. The box is quite nice, it's thick protective cardboard, and the indicator base is also wrapped in it's in a plastic bag. There's a warranty card there. I'll have a bit of a read later. There's a slight film of oil over it to protect it. A foil type marking there and there. Vertex Taiwan. The base is approximately 73 millimeters by 50 millimeters by 55 millimeters. The arms, which appear to be maybe an aluminium construction, the lower arm is about 110 millimeters to the pivot. The top arm is pivot to pivot about 100 millimeters, and the final little bit to the dovetail at the end from the pivot is about 65 millimeters. Adjustment is quite wide ranging and flexible, as they are for this type. Just set that up there, locked up firmly, and it is quite rigid. There's a fine adjust there. As to be expected, the magnet base knob is plastic. The center locking knob is plastic. The little one for clamping up on the dovetail is plastic. Metal on the adjusting, the fine adjuster. It appears quite well made, and as I said, it is quite stiff. I haven't tested I'm on a wooden top desk, so I haven't tested the magnetic power, but the one in the machinery cellar where I purchased this from, they had one on the counter there on a steel base, and it appeared to have quite substantial holding power. I feel it's a reasonable quality tool for the price, which is substantially cheaper than the Nogas, etc. that you sort of see. Hopefully the holding quality is more than adequate on this, and I'll find out when I sort of run it on the machine. I hope this video has been informative to you if you're thinking about buying one, see what they look like. Thank you.